Carpaccio is a fantastic way to start a meal. What it is essentially is a thin piece of beef or fish that's dressed with olive oil and other different flavourings. Now the key to a carpaccio is the way you slice the meat or the fish. You want it to be super thin that you can almost see through it. And the way you can get that is by using a really good quality carving knife just like this one. You can see that the blade is really long and thin. The reason this knife is fantastic to cut meat or fish really thinly is because you get nice, long, neat strips without getting that jagged effect on the meat. See how nice and thin that is? That's what we're looking for. And because it's so thin like that, it's going to be really delicate on the palate. Now, when you're slicing the meat, you want to use thin, long strokes, just like this. And as if you were a sushi master. That's how they do it, and that's how you get those perfect thin slices. You know what? Investing in a really good knife is important because it's just going to make life in the kitchen so much easier.